Men, you gotta hear this. If you live long enough, about 80% of you will get prostate cancer cells in your prostate, says the American Cancer Society. So, would you like to know 18 foods that can inhibit prostate cancer growth by 80% or more? Hi, this is Dr. Shintani for your health. For more videos about how to beat cancer, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell for notifications for the next video in this series. Prostate cancer is the second most common cancer among men. About 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during his lifetime. And about 80% of all men who reach the age 80 will have prostate cancer cells in their prostate, according to the American Cancer Society. So what can be done about prostate cancer? Actually, a lot of clues about how to prevent prostate cancer can be found in population studies that show that the lowest prostate cancer mortality rates are in countries that consume the least amount of fat. The difference in prostate cancer rates among these countries are not small differences. The difference isn't 10 or 20%. The differences are more like 700 to 800% higher in the US compared to a country like Japan, where they eat much less fat. Now, these are correlational studies, so it's difficult to say that increased fat intake causes prostate cancer. But it's clear that something in the diet is contributing to the high rates of prostate cancer in the US, and something different in the diet is preventing prostate cancer in Japan. So what foods are best for the prevention and control of prostate cancer? A really interesting study was conducted by Canadian researchers on cultured prostate cancer cells. In this study, extracts of 30 different foods were tested for their effect on prostate cancer cells. The following 18 foods inhibited prostate cancer growth by 80% or more. Spinach inhibited prostate cancer growth by 80%. Orange bell peppers inhibited prostate cancer growth by 83%. Rutabaga, 83.5%. Celery, 84%. Red cabbage, 85%. Jalapeno peppers, 86%. Fiddehead ferns, 87%. Beets, 89%. The following foods inhibited cancer by more than 90%. Curly cabbage reduced cancer cell growth by 91%. Regular cabbage, 92%. Yellow onions, 92.5%. Kale, 94%. Cauliflower, 95%. Broccoli, 97%. Leeks, 97.5%. Green onions, 99%. The following 2 foods inhibited prostate cancer growth completely. Those foods were Brussels sprouts and garlic. Most of these foods have something in common that makes them great anti-cancer foods. They are either allium foods, such as green onions and garlic, and cruciferous foods, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. They all contain powerful anti-cancer nutrients called organosulfur compounds. For more details about these compounds and their anti-cancer effect, see my previous video on the 11 best breast cancer foods. In addition, peppers contain capsicum that can help induce natural cell death in cancer cells. And spinach contains glycolipids that inhibit cancer growth. Of course, there are many other things you can do to slow or reverse the progression of prostate cancer. But based on these findings, eating these 18 foods are likely to help in the fight against prostate cancer and other cancers as well. For more anti-cancer and longevity tips, subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button or going to askdrshintani.com, and remember to click the bell for notifications. This is Dr. Shintani for your health.